Hi everyone, I'm Allie. Join me as I show you how to make these 2-minute coiled wire hoop earrings, which are so simple. If you need any supplies like the wire or the beads, go ahead and look below the video in the description. We'll put the links right in there for you. I love to do these quick wire videos because they can inspire you to make very quick things that look really awesome. Gather up your materials and let's get started. So to begin, we have 2 gauges of wire. You can do this with 20 and 24, or I'm using 18 and 22. Either way worked. You can even do it with thinner wire. And I just want to show how quick and easy the projects can be. I'm using about 6 to 7 inches of my thicker wire, and I have about 8 to 10 inches of my thinner wire. I'm going to take my thinner wire here and bring the camera back a little bit so you can see. And I'm going to wrap the wire around the thicker piece 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see I have a little bit that I've held on to, so we're going to cut that off as we finish. My daughter Mimi picked out these pretty beads to use together. We're going to put on our pretty seafoam green color crystal there, and then we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3, and 4. She wanted me to use 8 crystals in the design, so we'll put 8 crystals on here. 1 crystal, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're being consistent with our wrapping of our crystals along the center here. We're dropping on another crystal, and we're going to continue holding the crystal here and wrapping around 1, 2, 3, and 4. If your coils get separated a little bit like that, just go in with your plier here and pinch those together, closer together in the design. I'm going to continue here, adding 5 more of my crystals. Once you're done your coil there, you can see I got a little excited. I just chopped off the end of my wire there. I'm going to then take my needle nose pliers, go back to that beginning, chop that off, and just kind of pinch down a little bit in the center of your wire. You want to look at the first example and have that be your template for your second one. I'm going to bend the wires up into a shape here, and I want the shape to mimic the previous one. So kind of look as I'm doing it and try to get it to the same size as your first earring. With the longer piece of wire, I'm going to go right in and I'm going to turn that wire up 90 degrees. That wire is going to be my ear wire that I stick the piece on here. And the other piece we're going to coil once around that base. Grab my pliers here, and we are going to create a loop with your round nose pliers. Holding where you can see it, but you can't feel the wire, just turn it a little bit, make it into a loop, and then we're going to do a relaxed coil. So we're going to relax that coil and just hold with our pliers and spin the wire in. Relax and hold. You can see I'm not making it super tight. I'm letting some space there. And the wire that you have will create that coil that will sit right in the middle. You can see this one here I took around the back, so I'm going to do the same thing here and make that mimic and match. With the front side then, we are going to take our gemstone, stick that onto the front side, bend your wire to the side, and if you want to, you can get a mandrel or a pen. You're going to determine what size you want your loop to be. Bend the wire over the top of the mandrel till it goes to the other side. Once it's on the other side here, we're going to chop it down till the bottom of the crystal, or till the bottom of the gemstone rather, and then simply turn up the design at the end there to get it matching. It's so simple and so easy to get these nice designs. You can see I had a little bit more wire on the second one, or the first one, than the second one. What I'm going to go in and do is actually trim this down a little bit, and I'll go in and I'll make the coil to match and to have fun. The nice thing is these earrings are so simple and so easy to make that you really can have fun designing with your own wire and making the all-in-one earrings so you never lose your earring hooks. Thanks so much for joining me in these quick wire hoop earrings. They're really simple, easy to make. I love that they're an all-in-one. Make sure to share your photos of your earrings in our Facebook group for beading and jewelry making. Can't wait to see them. Remember as well, if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button so you don't miss anything from us here at Potomac Beads. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for more inspirational designs.